How to install Truth Social on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can install Truth Social on your Android device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to install Truth Social on Android, it is actually very simple, but for this, first of all, make sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection here. Once you're connected to a reliable internet connection, all you have to do is simply open up your Play Store, and in the search box just type in Truth Social, and then you'll find its official application from T-Media, which is Truth Social. So if you've not already installed it, you'll find the install button right next to the app. So you just have to click on the install button, wait for a couple of seconds or maybe a minute in order to actually install the Truth Social app to the latest version. This way you can install Truth Social on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.